Hi friends and welcome back to the Random YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to convert MKV files directly to mp4 or some other file format without wasting a lot of time. So first thing you need is this free software. The name is Xmedia Recode. You can Google this and find the 64-bit version as well. Run this program and then you need to open your mkv file. Select that and open it. Next, make sure it is selected in the task list. Then go to video tab, and from here, instead of the convert mode, you need to choose copy. Then you need to go to the audio tab and do the same thing here. Instead of convert, choose copy. Make sure you also add additional audio tracks if you have any, because I always create two audio tracks, one for my microphone and the other one is the desktop audio. So select that one too and click this button to add audio stream in the list to be encoded. Once you done that, make sure the mode says copy here too. If it says convert, you need to select that and from here choose copy. Once this thing is done, you can click add to queue to add this file with these settings to the queue, and finally click the encode button. But if you have multiple files to convert from mkv to mp4, you can add another file as well and select it, open it, select it on the top and do the same things here for audio and video. Once that is done, select that and also add that file to queue. Keep doing this till you have all the files covered and ready to be encoded. Next, click the encode button to start encoding or converting that file from mkv to mp4. So if I click the encode button, you can see how long it will take to convert that file or all of the files from mkv to mp4. So this is the fastest method of converting mkv files to mp4 files if you want to edit them in Premiere or any other editing program which doesn't support mkv files. So you can also check out some other options on the left side and change them according to your choice, and that's only if you are an experienced user of computer and know what you're doing, or if you have good editing or video file formats and audio file formats knowledge. So that's it for the software. The name is Xmedia Recode. I will add the link to download this in the description of this video. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to this. Thank you.